Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, one night I was in the house of my maternal aunt Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam rose up, relieved himself, then washed his face and hands, and thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again went to sleep. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again got up, made for the water skin, opened its opening, and performed the ablution moderately. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not pour much water, but performed the perfect ablution. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then stood up and started performing the prayer. I also got up, stretched my body so that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam might not feel that I had risen to watch him. After performing the ablution, I stood up on his left side to perform the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon spun me around, clutching my hand, and made me stand on his right side. After performing 13 units, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam lay down and went to sleep, and even started snoring. And whenever he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would sleep, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would snore. Later, Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu came and intimated him of the Fajr prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the prayer standing without performing the ablution, and made this supplication: O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, create light in my heart, and light in my eyes, and light in my ears, light on my right side, light on my left side, light above me, light beneath me, light in front of me, and light behind me, and expand the light for me. Qurayb, the reporter, states that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed 7 more sentences which I forgot. I then met some of Hazrat Abbas' progeny. They informed me that those 7 sentences are: O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, grant my muscles, my flesh, my blood, my hair, and my skin light. And he mentioned 2 more sentences other than these ones. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1785.